We love gear that makes life easier on a trip. I'm Tom from Packhacker, and welcome to another episode of Awesome Travel Products. And if the products in this video aren't enough for you, make sure to head over to packhacker.com because we review at least 5 new products per week. Let's dive in. If you've watched our videos before, then you know that we love packable bags. They can hold a lot more than your pockets or a sling, yet it can pack away and it doesn't take up a lot of extra room in your luggage. There are a ton of different styles out there, but in this video, we're focused on the new ReFraction backpack from Matador. It has more structure compared to other packable bags we've tested, yet it's still easy to compress. That's thanks to the 100D recycled nylon and bluesign materials. Certain parts of the bag, like the front and side pockets, have a little stretch, so you can squeeze in a sizable water bottle. The minimal structure of the bag also makes the compartment easy to pack because it bends around your gear to fit an extra pouch or two. You can add more quick grab gear to the final pocket on the top, but its primary purpose is to be the stuff sack for the 16-liter bag. We found that it can be a little bit lopsided to pack, but we found it easy to remedy that if you just adjust the material. When it's time to explore your destination, pull the material back out to carry your sweatshirt and snacks for a day trip. The minimally padded shoulder straps do a decent job cushioning the weight, and there's a thin sternum strap to shift the weight forward too. We like this bag so much that we added it to the most recent version of our Digital Nomad packing list, link down below. It's also a Packhacker pick. It's good to be prepared for anything while traveling. From loose screws to opening boxes, there are plenty of uses for tools. No one wants to carry a full toolbox in their carry-on though, especially since TSA will probably snag it at the airport. Instead, pack the Claw 2.0 from M&K. This TSA-friendly multi-tool is smaller than the average house key at less than 1.5 inches. And since it's grade 5 titanium, you won't have to worry about it snapping off as you untwist a stuck screw. It also works as a bottle opener for cracking open a bottle, a hex tool to fix your bike, and a pointy edge for opening boxes. Its rounded edges help it pass through airport security, though you should listen to your local officer if they say it's against their country's regulations. The Claw comes with a ring to hook on your keychain so you can have it wherever you travel, or clip it to a carabiner so you can hang it from the outside of your travel backpack. However you choose to carry it, we think that it'll come in handy on your next trip. We love when brands take something good and make it even better, which is why we're so excited about Osprey's updated Daylite Sling. And with the updates, they also made the Sling ambidextrous, which is great for lefties or people that just like wearing their sling on the other side. The strap hooks to either side, so you can swing this sling over whichever shoulder you choose as you explore a new destination. That's good for anyone that chooses to carry it over their left shoulder as opposed to the right. It also comes in handy when wearing it for a long time because you can switch sides when one shoulder gets tired. The well-padded straps and back panel cushion the feeling of the snacks, travel accessories, and small devices you're carrying. And you can cinch the shoulder strap tight to help the sling stay in place as you explore for the day. The durable bluesign approved recycled polyester has water repellent to protect your gear from the elements. That front pocket is now the same exterior material as the rest of the pack instead of mesh like on the previous version. That means it's safe to toss in your phone, wallet, and AirPods to keep them dry and within easy reach. In the main compartment is a sleeve for your Kindle or Nintendo Switch so you can play on the plane or train, and a zippered mesh pocket for tiny travel gear like lip balm, gum, and keys. You want your shades to make it safely to your destination when you're heading to the beach for a week, but designer frames and supermarket cheapies alike can be hard to pack. Instead, check out these folding sunglasses from Foldies. Other glasses can be super thin and flimsy, yet these feel sturdy and durable while still folding up to be half the width. They come in a structured case that is roughly the size of a deck of cards. While it's not as slim as the others we've seen, it works well to save them from being squished in your travel backpack or if you accidentally sit on them. If you want to see more travel sunglasses options, I made a video just for Packhacker Pro members where I talked about the pros and cons of about a dozen different pairs, and I'm always on the search for the best pair, so it's never ending. Join us in Pro to check it out and join in on the conversation. The plastic Foldies are polarized and have UVA and UVB protection, which adds important protection from the sun. They have hinges on the arms and nose bridge and are easy to unfold when you head outside. We like this style because they look and feel like standard Wayfarers when you wear them, although they come in other styles too, so you can easily find the one that suits your face. Something we nearly always have in our backpacks is a tech pouch. It comes in handy to organize gear on vacations and work trips too, and sometimes you need a little more storage than usual. We like the space and organization inside of the tomtoc Explorer-H01. It's wrapped in a water-resistant durable Cordura to protect your gear from accidental spills or splashes, and there's a sturdy top handle so you can easily pull it from your laptop bag when you get to the coffee shop. Along the back is a slim zippered pocket, which is a good place for flat gear like a notepad or travel documents. Then there are two main compartments. The front area includes a shallow mesh zipper pocket for dongles and memory cards. There's room to store battery banks and larger gear in an elastic topped pocket on the opposite side, plus space in between for flat items. The back compartment opens completely flat. One side has two large slip pockets for wall chargers and other bulky gear, while the other side features rows of elastic to hold cords, slim USB hubs, and anything else you can slide inside. This pouch has enough space for nearly anything that you would ever need to stay productive on a trip, whether it's for work or vacation. However, a pen slot in the middle is rather loose around thin pens, so we recommend keeping a close eye on them or using that slot to store other gear instead. We dig the signature look and feel of Trakke gear, and we're happy to see that same craftsmanship and great material choice included on the most recent version of their Foulden packing cubes. That includes dry finish wax canvas and easy to grab YKK zippers. The durable fabric is water resistant, so your clothing will be safe if your shampoo spills in your backpack or moisture seeps through the seams of your bag as you dash through the rain. The material is heavier than other packing cubes that we've tested, so it's not great for ultralight packing. However, it maintains its structure and stays upright, so you won't be fighting to hold open a floppy side as you stuff in your shirts like with thinner materials. The unique wedge-shaped design opens clamshell. It can be easy to overfill though, so use the side as a guide of how tall to stack your clothing. It takes a bit of practice, so to see it in action, make sure to check out our full review, link down in the description below. Quite a lot fits inside of each cube. The large is excellent for bulky gear like hoodies, sweaters, and jeans, plus about a dozen shirts. Meanwhile, the smaller cube fits the same amount of smaller clothing like swimsuits, socks, and underwear. The good news is, even if you manage to overstuff them, the beefy AquaGuard style zippers are durable enough to take some tugging as you close them. We can think of plenty of reasons to bring a flashlight on your next trip. You might need to search for an extra outlet behind the dresser at your Airbnb, or you might want to go exploring out at night when it's just better to have a brighter flashlight than your phone can provide. If you're looking for a tiny flashlight that illuminates a lot, check out the Lumintop GT Nano. It's incredibly bright and throws light up to 300 meters. That means the beam will reach more than 900 feet, or nearly a fifth of a mile away, so you'll have no problem finding your opponents when you play a moonlight game of flashlight tag. And there are 5 brightness settings, which means you won't disturb your roommate if you want to read a little bit before bed. Hitting the button once turns the light on, and it steadily gets brighter as you hold it down. Let go and hold it again to reduce the beam. When you turn it off, it stays on the same setting, so be careful not to leave it on turbo mode, or you'll be surprised the next time you use it. It includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, though it takes a separate device to juice it up. Luckily, the charger is super small and won't add much extra weight to your pack, though it's something else to keep track of when you repack. So there you have it, some great gear to grab before your next trip. What travel accessories should we check out next? Leave a comment below. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. See you in the next video.